Accomplish confidence, accumulate self-assurance. I flourish with courage, retaliate with endurance. Furnish my current mainstay, trade fame with merchants. You can't find us needles in the hay without searching. Work in the cafe, make your mouth foam like milk. Steamed by your one that blows, seated there. $7 seated chair massage. Live music from bands that create in the garage. And I'm cutting back on hours, life's getting hectic. Making records, making drinks, trying to make the grade. Written in a hotel, Florida's the state. Artificial guava, cheap soda, sweet taste. Shiny strap your finger with the spring tied around it. Braille is the illest, you have now been reminded. Driving you crazy, I don't even have a license. Don't crash the party just cause you're not invited. Who wants to be a millionaire? Who doesn't? Don't lie. But if you were a millionaire, what would you buy? I design fashion statements with the fabrics of time. As long as I can survive, I'll be satisfied.
I'm right with you on that statement. Underground to basement, I create to crack your pavement or casement. Hours of time dedicated to bless minds with rhymes from my iron climb. Keep this track unwind.